Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a TruffleHog. So what's this a TruffleHog? So this is as another bug bounty tool. You can verify your GitHub repository links. Either you can find a leaked credentials and analyze where you can get a leaked credentials and everything. So first of all, we would like to know what is a TruffleHog. TruffleHog is the most powerful secret discovery, classification, and validation and analysis tool. This is a context. A secret refers to a credentials. A machine uses to authenticate itself to another machine. This includes API keys and database, passwords, and private encryption keys, and much more. So, what this TruffleHog can discover, TruffleHog can look for a secrets in many places, including a Git, charts, wikis, logs, API testing platforms, object stores, and file system, and much more things. And what are the main classifications we can get here? The main classifications we can get here as a TruffleHog classifies over 800 secret types, like a mapping them back into a specific identity. They belongs. It's like AWS secret keys, Stripe secrets, Cloudflare secret, Postgres secrets, passwords, SSL private keys. Sometimes it's hard to tell looking at so TruffleHog classifies everything in one type. So it may can be a validation can be done for every secret TruffleHog can classify it. Can also a log into a confirm if that secret is live or not. This step is a critical to know if there is an active present danger or not. So, what are the main analysis we can get here? For 20, some of the most commonly leaked out a credential types. Instead of sending one request to a check, if the secret can log in, TruffleHog can send a many requests to learn everything. There is to know about the secret, who created it, what resource can it access, what permission does it have through the resource. Now, let's install this at TruffleHog. So this is a TruffleHog. Now I would like to try here as so I have already cloned the repository because it's have a lengthy time process. It will take cd. Go here as a TruffleHog. Now just type here as ls minus al. Now you just need to install this TruffleHog where you have this is with the main.go. You just need to install. Otherwise, you can try here as simple command. Let me I can show here. Let this is Docker. So using only this one command, you can install automatically. I would like to just copy here as a TruffleHog. Just copy. So I have installed already this a TruffleHog. Just type it as minus minus help. You can look here. You can look here. You can also try with a GitHub and GitHub Experimenter, GitLab. If you have any type of file system that will also can provide, and AWS, Amazon, Google Cloud Storage, System Log, Circle CLI token, then Docker images. Even it can find a Docker images and extract the valid credentials, API keys, secret keys, everything. Track SKI, Postman, like Postman used for API pen test testing, where you can test your API keys. And Elasticsearch, Elastic Bean Search, it was used in the AWS, and Jenkins, Hugging Face, and Analyze. So these and all APIs are inbuilt. Now we would like to try to test one. We would like to look here, come back. So I would like to test here only one thing. Now I would like to test here. This is what I get. Now it was, you can look here, error occurred with the TruffleHog updater. Error cannot move a binary, exit status code, status 1. Now I would like to go here. I would like to enter my targeted source code. We just try here. What's the results? Error cannot move a binary, exists the status code. We would like to look here as is status code as keys. Now it may take a lengthy time process, so I would like to try to copy this one. Let's come back here. TruffleHog. That. Let me just paste this. It may also give a same thing. Now, I would like to try here. I would like to try this as a JSON format. Cannot be a binary, as status is 1. You don't need to try. Just enter only the, I would like to enter only the source code. That's it. Only the GitHub username. Log TruffleHog message error occurred with the TruffleHog updater. We would like to try here. I would like to paste here. We can look here. So cannot be a binary. I think I would like to try here as a GitHub hacking scripts. I would like to try some other things. Hacker scripts. I would like to open as another targeted website. Let's just copy. TruffleHog. Git. Then let me just paste this. Now we would like to look here, but we didn't get anything here. I would like to open this as a Solaris. Now let me just copy. So we just need to try until you can get here. This is a GitHub repository. I can try this. It's the same thing. Now we would like to go back. For AWS enumeration, we just try here as bucket name is like hospital. We would like to try here as unknown. So let's see as a error is occurred. So I would like to activate this. So just type here as TruffleHog. I would like to type here as sudo su, enter your password, TruffleHog, git, then let me just paste this. I think we can get now the result. Yes, because it's working under the root. You can look here, duration, TruffleHog version, chunk 77 bytes with the units is true. We would like to try here as, we would like to take as another repository, Alex14324 and S7. You can look here, what's the results you can get here. So it's not working under the main. So source repos worker ID, VU8 units is true, directory temp as TruffleHog, GitHub with Alex S7, scanning chunks is 27 bytes, verified secrets is 0, unverified secrets is 0, scan duration is 1 millisecond. So now we would like to go back here. I would like to try this targeted website. So it's working under the root. It's not working under the main thing. We would like to go back here. We would like to paste it here. So you just need to try until you get. You don't need to quit. If you quit, you cannot able to achieve what you are looking. Now we would like to look here. So it will generate now And if anything is valid, that will be print in color format. And if it print in white, you cannot able to get the valid results. We would like to wait and see. So it may take a little bit time to extract the leaked credentials or XYZ things. Now let's go back here. You just type sudo su. Sorry, let me just type it as clear. You just clear sudo su, enter your password. So it may take here a little bit lengthy time process. Now let's scan GitHub repositories with the issues. We would like to look here, come back here. Let's just paste it here. Let's see. So TruffleHog, unreach your secrets, unearth your secrets. So let's see. Here you are finding here. You can see here. I have find a begin a private key. So where I have got it here as private key, and I try to connect over there and commit with Andrea Nucci, and I have found a verified results with admin at the rate the internet hierarchy app. I would like to try to open this. You can look here. Are you about logging into the site with the internet with the hierarchy app? So this required a valid credentials to log in into the grid. Okay. Now you can look here. This is a keys, a link and key, the counter with the MacBook Air. So they have utilized the MacBook Air, maybe a 2017 version MacBook Air, where verified secrets is 8, unverified secrets is 2, scan duration is 6 seconds, where I have got here private keys. Now admin with the internet with the hierarchy app, where the access key with AWS decoder type is plain. So this and all useful for a bug bounty programs. You can try your own. Like if you have a secret things, I can tell you, you are trying with the enumeration source manager work ID. So there we have got their work identity, number organizations, where you have got all the information about this. Here, this is take a lengthy time process also. Now TruffleHog issues with the comments, PR comments. So we have done this. Now I would like to close this. Now we have done this. Now we would like to try to enumerate with the AWS. I would like to try here as clear. Now I would like to go here as bucket name. I would like to mention here as, I would like to try to mention like hospital. We would like to try here. What is the results we can see about these hospitals? You can look here. Now you have getting a lot of things. Verification issues. I'll look up with abc.net with a targeted IP address to host. We are getting their credentials like Nabil Alam with gmail.com. So you can find a lot of useful information. Now you can look here, where a status code is 403, it's not found. And host identity, it's maybe in base64. We have got this verification timestamp and SMS. That's great. Now we would like to try to scan. Let's just copy this one. Now I would like to try to scan Turtle security. Here I would like to try here as a Tesla. We would like to results is verified or not. We would like to try this. What is the results we can get here? So you can look also this. A verification info is catch it. where you have getting all the useful information here. You can look here, found as unverified results with the rotation ID, uh, how to rotate. So you are getting here. Let's even look here as verified with the AWS. This is ARN with the AWS IAM user. So user ID with the access key, account identity. This is an AWS canary token generated commit ID or how the truffle site. So where you are getting a lot of useful information for a bug bounty. So here you didn't get, we would like to try here as another one. So we have tried with the organization. Now I would like to try with the SolRSS. So let me like to come back here. Let's quit this. Let me just type here as clear. I would like to go back here. Now I would like to try here as with the SolRSS. So we would like to try to look. Verification timestamp is 0. So here we didn't get. So we have find a valid information. Now we would like to try to run this. Now I would like to try to scan a type of files. Now I would like to try to scan a file system home Bounties cloud. That's it. Now we would like to look here. What is the results we can get here? So where I have got a somewhat useful a unit kind repository with the unit where we have got it here. That's it. So it may take a lengthy time process also for this. So we would like to scan individual directories, scan a local credentials. Okay. So this is for a Google Cloud Consoles with a bucket identity. This is with a Docker image. We would like to try here. So there are a lot of things like Elasticsearch, then scan with Elastic Cloud Search. Everything is available. We have this one. We would like to try here. You can look here in my targeted found as a unverified with a plain. It's going a lot of things here. Now let's come back. I would like to try here as something. So you just type here as sudo su, enter your password. Now we would like to try this. So this is with a cloud. You just need to try with your cloud identity. Let's look this. It's failed to search. Cannot create a client identity or not base cloud ID. Illegal base64 data. It's input by byte 8. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.